Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to import PowerPoint presentations into Camtasia. Let's get started. First, launch Camtasia. Click on the Import Media button. Navigate to your PowerPoint presentation file and select it. Camtasia will import each slide as a separate media file. Drag and drop the imported slides onto the timeline in the desired order. Adjust the duration of each slide as needed. You can also drag and drop your PowerPoint file directly onto the Camtasia timeline. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.